Davinci, Framed by Davinci. Welcome back to another episode. And in today's episode, I am going to be doing an unboxing of the NEEWER Z150 Mini Camera Flash. Shout out to NEEWER for sending me this. So it's still in the packaging because I'm going to give you guys an unboxing, and then probably later on I'm going to give you a real world example of me actually shooting with this. I haven't shot with it yet. As you can see, it's still wrapped up, but this will just be the unboxing of the NEEWER Z150 Mini Flash so you can see what comes with it, and then probably do a follow-up video of me doing some real-world testing with this video. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let's get to the unboxing. All right, so let's just start off. So usually I got some scissors for this, but this thing is so small that I don't think I'm gonna need no scissors. So I'm just gonna find a little crease here and open this puppy up. There is a certain skill set to unboxing, and I don't possess that skill set. So I'll just open it up just like Christmas gifts. You know, you just rip the paper, however you can rip the paper, and that's it. All right. Got it. This is it. Throw that paper. The Z150 Mini Camera Flash from NEEWER. NEEWER, thank you so much for this. I don't know if y'all can see that. Here we are. So let's get to the unboxing. So I'm gonna just pretty much see if I can get in this little groove here. Use my nail there. I'll open this thing up. Okay. These are our instructions. So you don't want to lose those. This is the box. You don't want to lose those. So you gotta, let me see here, USB to USB-C. I don't know if you can see that. Anytime I get a new package, my wife always says, hey, you gotta throw those away. This could kill dogs. So let's get that out of the shot. Let's get the box out of the shot. And this is it here. This is the Mini Flash. So let's just open this up here. We got some more packaging here, and I'm assuming this is just to protect the contacts on the bottom. So this should be, I shoot with a Canon, so this should be I'm assuming these are not universal, but this should be a Canon Mini Flash. Let me just get this paper out the shot, and this is it. It's like a hard plastic. I don't know if you can see that. See that all the way around. See that? Okay. So it looks like you just charge this up. Once you charge this up, let me see, it's got a couple dials on here, full power mode. So this here will give you the dials from full power mode to half power, all of those things. Look pretty sweet though. There it is, little quick flash. Looks like it's got two different settings, but I think the reason I'm excited to try this, and then there's a little display on the back, digital display. So as you cycle through these settings, it's just going through the power, right? So all the way up to full power, right? Half, quarter, eighth, 16th, to 32nd. You see what I'm saying? So you see that digital display. it's really small. Like, the reason I'm excited to try and shoot with this flash is because when I shoot with a normal flash, when I'm shooting portrait, the flash does this. So when you get your regular flash turned sideways, then the right side of the face is always gonna be the harsh shadows, and the side that you actually turn only looks good when you're shooting like landscape. So I'm excited to see that if I turn this, that I'm still kind of not too off from the way my lens is shooting at the model. So I'm interested to try this. I can't wait to give you guys a real world test, but this is pretty much it. This is it, not much to it. It looks very user friendly, super small, compact, definitely can fit in your pocket versus, you know, having a big off-camera flash. So Neewer, thank you for this. I will give you guys the specs on this thing. See if I can find my little turn wheel and we're gonna get this thing popping. So this Neewer Z150 is lightweight, pocket size. It's a retro style camera flash, more portable than like a strobe, compact, got the vintage strobe design. I think this is gonna be essential for most content creators. Like, once you get it fully charged, the flash brings up to 640 full power flashes and 3.1 seconds quick recycle with a built-in rechargeable battery. I think this is gonna be a game changer for me, especially when I don't wanna travel with a bunch of flash equipment, off-camera strobes. It's simple, man. It's got the hot shoe on. I think this is going to be a really good go-to, and it's compatible with all kind of cameras, whether you got a Sony mount, you Nikon. I'm a Canon shooter, but I also have a Lumix. If you looking for a quick flash alternative, give you that vintage on-camera flash look, then look no further than the Z150 Mini. I'll put a link in the description where you can get this flash, and I will see you guys on the next one.